Valerian, scientifically known as Valeriana officinalis, is a perennial flowering plant native to Europe and parts of Asia. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, primarily as a natural remedy for sleep disorders and anxiety. With increasing interest in herbal medicine, valerian has gained popularity for its potential therapeutic benefits. This article will explore the medical benefits of valerian, highlighting its applications and effectiveness. Promoting sleep quality. One of the most well-known benefits of valerian is its ability to promote better sleep. Valerian root is often used as a natural sleep aid due to its sedative properties. Studies suggest that valerian may improve sleep quality, reduce the time it takes to fall asleep, and enhance overall sleep duration. The active compounds in valerian, such as valerianic acid, are believed to interact with gamma-aminobutyric acid GABA receptors in the brain, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety, which can lead to improved sleep. Anxiety reduction. In addition to its sleep-inducing effects, valerian is also considered effective in reducing anxiety. Many people experience anxiety in their daily lives, and valerian may serve as a natural alternative to conventional anxiolytic medications. Research indicates that valerian may help alleviate anxiety symptoms without the sedative effects commonly associated with prescription medications. This makes it a suitable option for those seeking relief from anxiety without compromising their daytime alertness. Improved cognitive function. Research has shown that valerian may have positive effects on cognitive function. Some studies suggest that valerian can enhance memory, attention, and overall cognitive performance. The relaxation and calming effects of valerian may help reduce stress levels, allowing for improved focus and concentration. This is particularly beneficial for individuals facing high-stress situations, such as exams or deadlines. Muscle relaxation. Valerian is also recognized for its muscle relaxant properties. It may help relieve muscle tension and spasms, making it useful for individuals experiencing chronic pain or discomfort. By promoting relaxation in the muscles, valerian can provide relief from conditions such as fibromyalgia and tension headaches. Its ability to reduce muscle tension can also contribute to better sleep, as physical discomfort often interferes with restful sleep. Menstrual pain relief. Women experiencing menstrual discomfort may find valerian beneficial. Its muscle relaxant properties can help ease cramps and reduce pain associated with menstruation. Additionally, the calming effects of valerian can alleviate the emotional symptoms associated with premenstrual syndrome (PMS), such as irritability and mood swings. Digestive health. Valerian has been traditionally used to support digestive health. It may help alleviate symptoms of gastrointestinal distress, such as bloating and cramping. The calming effects of valerian can also promote relaxation of the digestive tract, potentially improving overall digestion and reducing the impact of stress on gut health. Safety and considerations. While valerian is generally considered safe for most people, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially for individuals who are pregnant, nursing, or taking medications. Potential side effects may include dizziness, headaches, or gastrointestinal disturbances, although they are typically mild. In conclusion, valerian offers a range of medical benefits, particularly in promoting sleep quality and reducing anxiety. Its natural properties make it an attractive option for those seeking alternatives to conventional medications. By incorporating valerian into your wellness routine, you may experience improved sleep, reduced anxiety, and enhanced overall well-being. As with any herbal remedy, it is crucial to approach valerian with informed consideration and consult a healthcare provider as needed.